Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review on the new system called Zombie Commissions. Now, this is a new program. It features three of the top internet marketers. They're going to show you how to make money with their three different funnels, and basically they'll show you how to unleash a herd of pandemic-based buyer spree. Pack your online wallet with recurring commission using the most critical niche in 2021. Create fully automated, 100% done for you survival affiliate sites with insane monetization. Then they're going to show you how to make this work, even if you have you're a cold stove newbie without any experience. This course starts out at $17, and it comes with a money back guarantee of 180 days. Okay, and it shows you how to get recurring commission from the best survival affiliate programs. You get paid from high ticket products. Rank on the first page of Google for our secret high traffic keywords. So basically, it's going to show you how to make money in the survival niche, which is extremely popular because of COVID, and also it's less competition. And these gentlemen have made over $100,000 in 3 weeks with this type of program. And if you decide to buy Zombie Commissions through my link, you will get an additional over $12,000 of bonus courses. That includes 36 courses. One is how to go viral, social media marketing, lead generation, marketing automation, Pinterest, how to make money on Pinterest, how to rank on the first pages of Google, Facebook ad secrets, Google AdSense profits, tips and tricks, TikTok marketing. So you see a lot of courses are here. YouTube authority, Pinterest, how to make money on Pinterest, Shopify. So these are all great courses. How to make $2,000 in 20 minutes on Facebook groups, solo ads, CPA marketing, launch jacking. So you see it's lots of over $12,000 of courses here you get for free when you decide to purchase the Zombie Commissions through my link. Now this is I've seen the course. This is an excellent course. It shows you three different systems, how they're making thousands of dollars a week. Gentlemen made over $100,000 with one of the funnels in 3 weeks. So these are extremely effective courses, and they're not complicated. You can set this up in a maybe 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and then start making money for you. The main thing is that it's going to show you how to rank on the first pages of Google in a very popular niche that doesn't have a lot of competition, and they have made money with it. They've been doing this for a while. So if you're ready to make money, check it out. It's only $17. And it has a money back guarantee of 180 days. So it is very high level. Normally this thing would cost $49 a month or more. And as I said before, I checked it out, and it's definitely an excellent course. And the techniques in the course, I'll be using it personally also because it's definitely something new that you haven't seen before. More likely it includes the funnel that you need, includes all the system, all the information you need to start making money with this today. Okay, check out Zombie Commissions. It's Larry Kearney. I'll see everyone in the next video. Don't forget to click the link below. Go to the website, check out the video here, and it has a few, talks about here about making $43,000. I'll see the time period maybe in a week or two. Today, $5,000, $6,000 in 1 day. Now, this is some serious stuff. $139,000. This is a serious course here. Even if it took 2 or 3 months or 4 months to make that kind of $288,000. So these are some serious numbers, as you can see, and they're not playing with this because they're giving you 180 days to check it out. And so, as I said before, if you want to make some money, click the link below, get started. They'll give you everything you need to, even if you're a newbie and you just started today. Okay, this is Larry Kearney, and I'll see everyone in the next video.